but another one of those that you are left just kind of thinking what could have been, because all that moisture stayed to the south for the most part. There were a few parts of Southside Virginia that picked up about 3 inches of snow, and up here around the Richmond area, got a little bit of a trace of it around, but not much else. Let me show you how we did for today. And the low temperature for the day is our current temperature of 31 degrees. We did make it up to 40 degrees this afternoon. And as far as the moisture goes, 0.07 officially out at RIC. So 0.07 of an inch of rain. The official snowfall measurement will come in with tomorrow morning's climate report. I believe the beard is going to stay after Mother Nature has had her say today, not giving us that inch of snow. 31 degrees our current temperature. We have a north wind at 6 miles per hour. Drier air will move in. Skies will clear out. That'll really allow our temperatures to tank overnight tonight. We'll drop down into low and mid 20s. Most areas are still in the low 30s at this hour. Here are your temperatures for the next 12 hours. Again, we will dip way down into the low and mid 20s. And we'll start to warm up tomorrow, but even with sunshine, this is a cold air mass. So even with full sunshine, we'll be hard pressed to get out of the upper 30s in many locations. So some patchy black ice tomorrow morning. That's really the only concern moving forward. Then dry and cool weather for the upcoming weekend. We'll see temperatures warming up a good bit. We'll be in the low 50s Saturday and upper 50s coming up on Sunday. And then rain likely next week. Our snow chance is pretty low, but we're going to see a powerhouse area of low pressure, this mid-latitude cyclone that will morph into a nor'easter. I don't think our snow chances look particularly good. It'll be a good one for the mountains, though. All right, let's get a check on what we've got through our Sky Tracker camera at this hour. And we'll skip right on past that and check out the snow across Southside Virginia. Boynton down to Carr Lake, just a little bit of light snow, a few flurries down there. Snow continues to move through Hampton Roads. It's almost done down there, and we still have the winter weather advisory in effect. This is now for patchy black ice rather than for any kind of snowfall. It's just for slick travel, at least the potential for it tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning continues for Hampton Roads. Lows tonight will fall down into the low and mid 20s. It's going to be cold in the morning and really cold all day long. Highs only up around 40 degrees, upper 30s to around 40, with a north wind at 5 to 15 though. Most of the day, it's going to feel like it's in the mid 30s. There's a look at your forecast. North wind 5 to 15, high of 40, and a ton of sunshine. All right, looking at our temperatures, this is what it's like right now. We have this trough in the eastern United States. It's got the cold air in place for us today and tomorrow. Watch what happens by early next week. We see a little surge of some warmer weather coming in. This is Tuesday, and that would translate to surface temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. But then watch what happens late next week. The clock goes Wednesday, Thursday, on into Friday. Another surge of even colder air. This is just the temperature structure. What you don't see is the big area of low pressure that will be developing, and this is going to hammer the Great Lakes. We're talking about feet of snow with this one, and even down the spine of the Appalachians, even through areas of West Virginia, those mountains will likely pick up lots of snowfall from this one. All right, 40 tomorrow, but then we warm up nicely this weekend. As we get into next week, we'll peak on Tuesday with a high of 64. Then it starts to get cold again a week from today. There's your 7-day forecast. It is dry for the next 3 straight days, and then another storm system comes in. Again, as of right now, it looks like it'll be all rain for us here in the Piedmont. I'll keep tabs on it and track the pattern here and see if there'll be any chance for any snow.